Welcome inside the 2022 Kia Sorento PHEV SX Prestige all-wheel drive. Dave Erickson here with Everyman Driver over here in Eastern Washington at my local press event, which we do every year. This is the 27th annual. It's called Mudfest, where we do on-road testing one day. The next day we do off-road testing and determine the Outdoor Activity Vehicle of the Year award. It's a big event here. About 20 vehicles today, and we drive them on-road and do this course, what I'm doing right now, and that is an acceleration, brake test, followed by slalom, and then we go on this mini go-kart track for ride and handling assessment, and we're doing some grading. So now I'm behind a Yukon AT4 GMC. They're going to accelerate, and then it'll be my turn, and we'll get a feel for what this is all about. So 1.6 liter turbo GDI plug-in hybrid, 261 horses, 6-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive mode select. So let's select the drive mode here. Oh, there it is, sport. Changes to sport. That's our drive. Yes, sport. All right. Yes, ma'am?
You're good.
Let's go.
Nope.
Super quiet, a little bit of delay off the line. Super, not very fast at all. Like I only got to 45 miles per hour. And we'll brake. Braking's good. Wow. See, the cool thing about this event is we're driving all these cars back to back and we get a feel so we can differentiate all the cars on how they work. And that one, based on the previous ones, slow acceleration, but I'm surprised. Handling, taller vehicle, so a little bit of body roll. Not enough to say no thank you, it's still nice. But I'm not gonna do a slalom in a Sorento as much as I like this. This will be a good test right here. Now here's our mini go-kart track. Accelerate here, and then we'll do some ride handling. Does not get up to speed very fast in sport mode, surprisingly. Wow, it's about 50 miles per hour. I got up to 60 earlier in a CX-50 from Mazda. But I'm not expecting a lot of sportiness in this one. But going 25 miles per hour at this, around these kind of corners, it's all right. Needs a little more power. But hey, family SUV. I give this vehicle high grades in terms of a family SUV, in terms of a review and practicality, economy. It's good that way. Probably not the best for doing these kind of things, but that's fine. See, just a little quickie there. Fuel economy, oh yeah, that's why it's so awesome. We got 79 miles per gallon equivalent electric. That's electric plus gasoline. Otherwise, gasoline only 34 miles per gallon, which is okay. Yeah, that's pretty good for a SUV. 48 grand. I have additional just white color. So what this has with freight and handling, 49,720. 2022 Sorento plug-in hybrid electric vehicle. good one. Maybe you got something out of that with this little quick slalom and on-road test. Tomorrow I'll be doing off-road. Thanks for watching. One final note, if you are in the market for a new vehicle soon, great. Connect with your local dealership and price and test drive at least 3 different vehicles. A vehicle's strengths and weaknesses can only be discovered when you are behind the wheel. My reviews can be good, but you need to test drive these yourself. Visit quotes.everymandriver.com, select the make, model, and your zip code, and you'll get invoice pricing in your area on those vehicles. Shop smarter with price quotes at quotes.everymandriver.com.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.